Hello everyone, this is openEulerNow, a bi-weekly news program that brings you the scoop on the openEuler community developments and innovations. I'm your host for today, Helen. So, the first episode we're going to walk through today is Community Security Updates. In October, the community released 56 security notices and fixed 117 CVE vulnerabilities. Among them, 8 are critical, 57 are high, and 52 are other vulnerabilities. eCloud and Huawei worked together to establish the eBPF SIG, aiming to promote eBPF-based programmable kernel capabilities in the openEuler community. We hope to provide kernel capabilities as a service to flexibly adapt to differentiated requirements of openEuler in server, CT, industrial control, terminal, and vehicle scenarios. In October, the SIG completed initial preparations, determining the core roadmap, work directions, operation mode, and core members such as committer and maintainer. Currently, regular online meetings are held every other Wednesday to review the project and report the work progress. Anyone who's interested can visit the meeting schedule on the openEuler's official website. On October 26, Yuan Dejun, maintainer of the Mingzu Chess SIG, shared the latest progress of open source popularization for young people in a technical committee meeting. He introduced Lucky Star, a small game independently developed by middle school students for learning Python. The PR is officially approved by the Mingzu Chess SIG on October 24th. According to the plan, the SIG will release the RPM package of the game with the assistance of the Raspberry Pi SIG. It then will become a desktop game demo in the openEuler Raspberry Pi release. On October 20th, the DPDK community showcased openEuler as one of the popular Linux distributions with packages for DPDK on its official website. DPDK, short for Data Plane Development Kit, is a set of user-space libraries and drivers that accelerate package processing workloads running on all major CPU architectures. Other popular Linux distributions with DPDK packages include Debian, Red Hat, SUSE, and Ubuntu. Adhering to the open source and collaboration concepts, NestOS, a project incubated in the openEuler community, collects version feature requests and builds versions in collaboration with community developers, and reports regularly at Kubernetes DistroSig and Cloud Native SIG meetings on version incorporation, work planning, and technical progress. In openEuler 22.09, the NestOS build tool, NestOS Assembler, makes it easier than ever to build container images for Kubernetes and OpenStack. In addition, to meet developers' requirements for downloading NestOS images, NestOS project members cooperate with the Community Infrastructure SIG to complete the development of the NestOS website, which is now available on the official website. In the future, NestOS will continue to introduce more new features and functions. Welcome to join the Kubernetes DistroSig and Cloud Native SIG to help NestOS grow. Welcome to visit the official website. You can find NestOS at the Discovery page. DPU SIG is created by the openEuler community to cope with technical challenges brought by DPU. It aims to attract DPU vendors and developers in and outside China to sort out and abstract DPU bottom layer common capabilities and provide unified basic capabilities and interfaces. The SIG members also endeavors to explore the DPU development trend, emerging scenarios and functions, and provide corresponding software solutions. As of now, The DPU SIG has attracted more than 10 partners across the cloud, internet, and DPU industries. In addition, the SIG has proposed the initial draft of related interface design in terms of the management and control end in cloud scenarios, DPU underlying virtualization hardware capabilities, and cross-host DPU communication channels. In addition, a near insensible on-installation solution is proposed, and the container management plane and related core components are open sourced. Our development team can be reached at dev@openEuler.org. Recently, RISC-V SIG launched a new distribution named EulerSera. This is the first openEuler distribution to incorporate the RISC-V architecture into the Tier 1 support. It shares some components with the openEuler RISC-V project. EulerSera is a relatively stable openEuler distribution in the RISC-V environment. It uses the community-native solution to test the implementation of community projects in the RISC-V architecture. Enhancing the desktop environment and out-of-the-box experience, it can be used as a long-term OS candidate on RISC-V hardware. If you'd like to try this distribution, or if you encounter any problems, please submit an issue in the RISC-V code repository to communicate with us. This is the end of today's openEulerNow. The credit of this episode goes to these organizations and developers. Thanks for watching. See you next month.